Alright guys, we are back again. I'm liking gold here. I'm going to take a short here, guys. We are looking good. We're finally breaking this huge uh, line right here. Let me show it to you. So that's the 4 hours you see here. A lot of just wick here movement went up and then came back. We're finally breaking here. So you have one touch right there. Two touch, three touch, and then now it's breaking. So definitely I like it here. So I'm gonna take one here, guys.
Order filled.
I do like it here for it to keep going down. I actually wish I would have gotten it here to get a nice draw down to here, but I just got back here on my screens. I'm looking at it, and it is coming back, kind of retesting this area right here, which is here. It's actually literally a support right here. From here to here, it's like a good support, so it might come up. Our stop loss is this line right here. So it is a wide stop loss. What time is it? 9:12. So this wick just started. So it would be, we would put it around right here. So it's a 282 loss. After our loss today in the morning, that's definitely a tough one, but I think I'm gonna keep it. I'll probably be up for another hour, and then I'll manage it and see what we do with it. But I do like it here. I would love to see this go down and try kind of this area right here, because this is the nice support right there. So I would love to see this try. It's breaking, go down. The one thing I will show you guys, and so this is oil, guys. So if you saw the last video, we took a short on this break right here. We got stopped out right there. It went up a little higher, and then look at this, guys. Look at this. Are you kidding me? So we had this whole run up. We broke. We said it's our stop loss, obviously, and look what it did. We just went and just oh man. I mean, if somebody kept in that trade and made this their stop loss, waited for this to like new highs or new lows, that's crazy, because you would have kept that. That would have just, look at that, guy. That was our entrance, was like right there, somewhere around here, 73.37. Look at that, to what, 60, 64. I mean, I don't know if I would have held it all the way to here. I probably would have held it to here, and in all honesty. Maybe here, because you have this trend line and this, and then you have support here, see? So I doubt it. I think I would have taken profit around here regardless. But, I mean, just look at that, guys. And it's just very annoying that we didn't, it stopped us and then it went down. It's just very unfortunate. That could have made us a ton of money today. You know, easily $400 or $500 on that nice drop with just one micro. So, but we're in gold now. This is gold. No, wait, it's not gold. This is gold now. Up around $10 right now. Doing similar things. So again, we're looking at this. Yep, right there. So here, 2, 3 touches, and now we're dropping. We're breaking. I will keep this for now, and we'll see what happens. The other thing, I'm looking at NASDAQ. Let's see what's going on in NASDAQ. So take this out. So let's see. So it finally broke out of here. That would have been a nice catch, but I'm pretty sure that was just, that was a wick, one wick. That would have been hard to catch, but if you caught that, that would have been a nice wick at open today in the afternoon. So, and that seems like it's making another bull flag to keep going higher. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep it for now, but in gold now, guys. Shorts. That's our play, and I'm sure we'll be back, and we'll see what this takes us, guys. All right, guys. Just gonna leave this position overnight. This is my take profit. I'm looking for this candle to come down here. Hopefully, we can go ahead and just jump in somewhere around here. I do have alerts in case we do come down, that I can get up and either take profit or stop loss. I am with my stop loss up, guys. I'm not leaving it up all the way up here, because a 280, 300 to stop loss is just too big, and I'm not risking that in this account. So I am turned to the 15 minutes. still doing our strategy just in 15 minutes. And right here is this white line right here. That's going to be our stop loss. So if it does break, that's kind of what I'm leaning at. So it'll be, right now it's this candle, 93. It's going to end in 6 minutes actually. So we'll move it up to the next one, which will put us around there. Yeah, 66. Because that's the stop loss. Then it goes to that. And that would be breaking it, both of these right here. So move it up to 70. Hey! Sorry, my dogs are playing here and they wanted to go to bed already. But, sorry about that. Alright, so we're on $21 in profit. I think we went down to like, what, like 60 something? No, we went down to 33.56. So, somewhere around $70 in profit. We were, but I am looking for a little more. So, I'm going to keep this. Hopefully, we can get a nice little like push up and then come back down. So, I'll see. Hopefully, we can get up. I do have my alerts set. Somewhere around here, we can try to take profit. And I do have an alert set if it does come back up here around the stop loss, so I can get up and kind of record if we need to take a stop loss, or if we are seeing what's going on, because it might be that we're less and less. By the night goes on, the stop loss should move here, but obviously I can't do it because I'm in bed. But yeah, that's where we should be, guys. Move my alert. Yes. Yeah. There we go. Just move my alert on TOS. Alright, guys, that's where I'm going to leave it. Up $20 right now, and we'll come back during nighttime. Or tomorrow morning, we'll be up in profit. We'll see you soon. Hello, guys. Back here again. It's around 11:33. Alarms went up because gold is went up. It's breaking this up, so I think this is where I'm going to take my loss. Yeah, it's going to take a loss right there. Hit it, and I think that will be it for now. I'll take the $70 loss, and we'll go from there. But I just wanted to come up and show. Come on. But that's where it is, guys. I will see you in the morning. I'm sure it'll help me anytime soon. Okay? Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is 8:22 in the morning. So what can I say, guys? We have that $70 loss we took yesterday night. Took the short. Where was it? So we took the short around here. We got stopped out around there, and then this happened. Not good, guys. That's very unfortunate because I believe we were looking for this. This was our take profit right here, which would have been like 200, I believe, or 250 or something. I mean, we could have even gone down lower to even this, but almost close to it. But it's very unfortunate, guys, that we had the play, we got stopped out, and maybe that's something that we have to work on. That I have to work on is waiting for a new lower high to build and then make the stop loss. And then come down. I actually caught this trade. I left it with a big stop loss on my other account and caught a huge move on my other account. I have a lot more contracts, but on this one, because I'm trying to run it slow and manage my risk and playing micros, I didn't want to keep a very tight stop loss in case it ran up or whatnot. And unfortunately, I think it hit us like around there, and then went up a few more points, and then came back down. And it's very unfortunate because even now, look, even if we left it right now, look, it's just it would be doing very good right now, up maybe 250, and we would have called it a day. Made yesterday's loss back, and not that I'm mad. We followed our strategy. Yesterday's loss and right now's loss so far are still controlled. They're not like terrible losses. We're following our strategy, but I think this one we just have to leave it a little more risk. The problem is that if we leave more risk and we're wrong, we take a $200, $300 loss, and that's why I'm trying to manage our risk. That's one of the few things that we can control, so I do my best to control it. Now, that being said, I do like gold for longs today. As you can see here, you have one, you have basically two, and three touches. So let's redo these lines. This broke, so we're done with that. Very unfortunate that we didn't catch it. That it stopped us out and we could have gone. You guys see we had to play there. It was very perfect and it just didn't work out, guys. But it is what it is. So and the hourly, so looking at 1, 2, basically 3, 4 there. So I'm gonna do this. I do like it here. The stop loss for this, let's go ahead and make a new stop loss. Oh, stop it. Alrighty, so it would be from here, which is the last, to here, which candle's still forming. So that would be our stop loss right there. So depending where this ends, that would be our stop loss, and we would take longs on gold. It is down almost 2%, so obviously that huge play that we missed, but it's very unfortunate. This high is from yesterday at yesterday's high from noon, so it's a good amount of period of time, so we can go ahead and take a long. Maybe you probably hit this or something and then come back down. So I'll keep this line just in case. But that's what I'm looking at, guys, today. Let's look at NASDAQ. I haven't looked at anything yet except gold, which was very annoying because could have gotten a nice little play there. All right, so we broke this. So this line is done. Yeah, you go ahead and if you play this long, and even if you kept this as stop loss, I mean, obviously you would have probably maybe trying to get a different stop loss now, but that's a huge move you would have cut right now. Like came back down now a little bit, but that's a very massive move once it broke. Yeah. So right now what we're looking at is this to there. But again, I don't think there's nothing here for me to really play. Unless it comes back down and we form another kind of a downtrend, so we can play longs, but nothing really on NASDAQ. I am going to keep this, just I want to see where it falls, if it breaks and whatnot, but, we would need for shorts, there's nothing really here to play. It would have to come back, touch this trend line one more time, bounce again, then break. So, I mean, maybe we can still get it. I'm not saying we can't, but definitely not. It's not looking like it's a short day. And this was yesterday, guys. We had both plays that worked out. We got stopped out on this. Literally, we got stopped out literally there. And look at that. It's so annoying, guys, that we both, yesterday and today, both red days that we've had, yesterday and today, we had the perfect play to get a huge, nice plays, and our stop losses, maybe I think our stop losses are too tight, so I might have to play a little more aggressive, which means that I might have to take some bigger losses in case I'm wrong. Because here, if I would have kept it, if I would have waited a little more, we could have gotten this. Yesterday would have been a nice play, and today would have been a nice play with gold. And we missed both of them because our stop losses were maybe a little too tight. Maybe I just give them a little more breathing room so this can happen. This can kind of do this thing and drop down. It's very annoying that we missed both of them. Very, very unfortunate. But let's go ahead and take this. Now, if anything, I might look for longs. I have one, you have two. See if we can touch one more time before it goes up. Shorts right now are not really looking at anything that I would want to play. Unless it comes back and touches this one more time. It would have to come back, touch it, and then break to continuing this downtrend, but it's already made a huge play here, so maybe longs are probably what I'm looking at today. If we can touch one more time and then break, that's about it. So let's look and see what else is going on around the market. Platinum, nothing really going on here. There was 1, 2, not really 3, but keep it there. Let's see if we can make anything else happen there. You have to touch. These are too close. I don't like that. One more touch after until we can really make another play. But that's about it. Nothing going on there. So I know Silver I missed a play the other day, and Copper too. So, but nothing going on there. Let's see. Look at these wicks, fakes out right there. Yeah, nothing going on there. Do have 1, you have 2, and you do have 3 here on Silver. What is Silver? Silver's only down 0.83%, so a lot less than gold. Obviously, there's a lot less volume. It's traded a lot less, but yeah, no. If the metals get jump, Silver, honestly, Copper looks good too. It's up. It's actually green. Yeah, look at this, guys. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3. So I do like metals for longs. If this can break, I do like it. This being your stop loss right here. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, 4 right here. Basically, even though they're close, it's 1, 2, and then 3 here. So if it can jump up, I do like this for longs. With this being your stop loss. Let me look at Copper just because. Yeah, it's actually green. It's up 0.87%, guys, which is kind of it's a good amount. Look at this. Remember yesterday I said I like Copper for longs once it breaks yesterday. 1, 2, 3. Look what happened. Boom. We broke here, retested, and then this would have been your stop loss right there, guys. Right there. Look what it would have been. And it went up all the way to the resistance we had here. It's so lame that sometimes you just miss stuff like that. You see, you have everything planned out. It's like, oh, and then you miss it because you're looking at other things or doing everything else, and it's like, man. You could even, this could have been, actually, I didn't even realize. See, another thing, look, that's, you have 1 there, 2, 3 right there. Boom, 3 right there. That's 3 different spots. Here, another long. You just long it here again. You could have even added. If you had this position first, and then you saw this break, you could have added, and then boom. I mean, you could have even taken some off and held the rest, and that would have been a great play. Man, oh man. Because look, that would have, yeah. Let's see. Where is it? Oh, this is still folding, so delete that and see what happens. But yeah, that would have been a nice play right there. Break that and can go. Delete that for now. You have one from here to here. Actually, yeah. Let's see, but you guys see the plays that I'm seeing, right? So it's like you see them, they're there. You just have to be able to play them, but. Now, there's nothing in here in Copper. There's this, even though it's higher and probably could go up, there's no entrance right now for us, so we're just going to wait. But Silver is probably what I like the most right now. You do have 1, 2, you have 3, so if you can break here with this being your stop loss, I do like it for to go up rather than gold. Let me just look at, I've been trying to play the S&P a little more, guys, so you can see 1, you have 2, you have 3. That would have been a great play once it broke here. But this was, I think, yesterday. Yeah, yesterday's was going parabolic. Yeah, need all this stuff. Anything I have here would be here. But yeah, no, nothing to do. Same thing with the Nasdaq. There's nothing. Like Nasdaq is like nothing to do here. You can't make here from here because this candle's still forming. You would have to touch maybe like a double top, hit it again, and then break, and then that's still risky because you already made this huge move. And to keep, I mean, it can still going up. I'm not saying it can't, but you already broke this, and it's making this huge move. So depending on where this comes back down at open, maybe make another line to play shorts, but it's not A+ setup. That's kind of where I'm going. And then gold. Gold might be the play again. This one's ready to break right now. So on the hourly, so look, it's already breaking this. These are, I already told you, you got to see where this line ends. It might even come back down all the way to here, but then we play longs once it breaks. This is the support right here, so we might see this come down to here, make support, and then go. Still have half an hour, guys, so we'll wait. So gold, I like. Silver, I like too. If we can, yeah, you already have 3 touches, so if we can break. Silver and gold are the plays today. oil. Again, just have 2 touches, so long seeming a little hard here. Shorts, you already made that move. You could make the argument to play from here to here, but again, we'll see. I'm not a fan. It's not not on the A+ setup. There's sort of starting to build, but it's not there. But don't wait there, guys. We'll finish main watches right now are gold and silver, and we'll see what happens from there. We'll talk to you soon. Alright, guys, so here, as you can see, we're back again around 12 o'clock. I'm looking at gold, and it's breaking here after a 3 touch on the hourly. So we're going to go ahead and take a long here. We're going to keep the 200 stop loss here for now, and we're going to come back and see what happens later. Guys, we're back here around 12.54. It's breaking now. We're up around $75, $76 or so. I like it here. Since we are red for the day, I am going to go ahead and take the profit here. Try to break even on the day since we had a red day yesterday. So we're going to go ahead and take the profits right here, and we'll call it a day there, guys. GG.